Good morning, everyone. Jrock here. I'm just watching the chart of GJ, and what we have seen is a big drop. If I were to look at the H1 chart, you see when the market opened, you had a big gap up from this level right here all the way up here, and it came down. I've been expecting it to fill the gap, but then it didn't. So I took a nap, and when I woke up, this is what I got in, and it continued to push up, and then all of a sudden the bottom fell out. And if you look where it came down to right here, it filled that gap from there to there. So that's called a very nice gap fill. And if we look at the H4 chart, to me it seems like it's going to trade sideways, trade this way, and then start pushing up. And I get that feeling from the monthly chart. Is still very bullish, and it is pushing up on that last candle, which is the current month, October. So it came way down here, and then it pushed all the way back up. And then if we look at the week, you see the week, it has a gap up for the week, but it came down and it filled that gap between there and there. Sorry, that chart's moving without that. Okay. And it looks like it is probably going to push up from here. I really don't see it falling much further, and it will continue to run to the upside, and that's a very nice looking channel uptrend. So the balance that I see that it could go to, it could run all the way up here to that level where the upper Bollinger 152.68 are there before pulling back. So we're just going to watch it and see how it plays out. If you look at the 30-minute chart, I always say the 50-period moving average, which is this purple line, is a very strong support or resistance whenever it's making a move. So when it came down, I thought it was going to channel sideways here, and the 50-period would catch up to it, and then boop, it would take off. Well, it dropped, filled the gap, and bounced almost perfectly right off of that 50-period moving average and went straight back up. It's pulled back a little bit, but I still believe that it's going to trade sideways and continue to trend up as time goes on. So we're just going to sit here and watch it as it goes. But everything looks good for a continued move to the upside.